To respectable audience, this is the question 16 divided by 8 over 4. I have told you yet. 16 divided by 8 will be solved as it will be 2. And here 4 is in the denominator, it will be multiplied. So its answer will be equal to 8. Let us come to solve it according to rule KCF. Keep change flip rule. Keep the first one. 16 will be written as it is. Divide is changed into multiplication. Flip mean we have to flip this one. It will become 4 over 8. Now you can cancel 8 and 16. It will become 2. So we will get 2 times 4, which will results as 8. So 8 will be our answer for this question. I have told you a shortcut that 16 is divided by 8 first, which will be 2, and the number in the denominator will be multiplied. So 4 is in the denominator, both are multiplied to get 8. So 8 will be our answer for this question. Thank you for your support.